Imagine a world where futuristic technology transforms our daily lives. From healthcare to transportation, these innovations are no longer science fiction, they're just around the corner. Today, we're exploring 25 incredible inventions of the future that will soon be accessible to everyone. Stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe for more exciting content like this. Contact lenses that monitor your health and display augmented reality interfaces are in development. They'll help diabetics track glucose levels and revolutionize how we interact with technology. Urban areas will soon host towering vertical farms, providing fresh produce while conserving land and water. These eco-friendly solutions may solve food shortages globally. Imagine cracked screens or scratched cars that repair themselves. Self-healing materials will reduce waste and save costs for everyone. Education will see a revolution with AI tutors, offering personalized learning experiences for every student, no matter where they are. No longer a fantasy, flying cars are expected to debut within a decade. They'll redefine urban transportation and reduce traffic congestion. Wearable translators will break language barriers instantly, enabling seamless global communication and collaboration. Soon, ordinary people will experience the cosmos as companies bring space travel closer to reality. A once-in-a-lifetime experience could become routine. The future is arriving faster than we imagined, and these innovations promise to improve lives worldwide. Which of these inventions excites you the most? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to stay updated on the latest tech trends and futuristic innovations. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an upload. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.